virtual road test of our 2013 13 plate Mercedes E220 CDI SE Blue Tech. It's got just over 53,000 miles on the clock. We're just giving it a little run up the road.
Yep.
See how it drives. Yeah, lovely car, nice and smooth. Gearbox is all smooth and seamless. No warning lights on the dashboard at all. Brakes are good. Tyres are all good. Really nice and comfy. Yeah, really nice car. Great value for money. Mercedes for Mondeo money. And with only 53,000 miles on the clock, it's done nothing. We've got full service history for it as well. It's got, I think it's about 4 or 5 Merc stamps, and the last 2 services were independents, but it was serviced this year as well. So we've got, I think it's about 5 or 6 stamps or records of service. Predominantly Mercedes. We've got 2 keys for the car as well. It's that really nice Palladium silver, they call it, which is sort of like a mid-silvery grey. So it's a nice colour for the car. It's also got the upgraded 17-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. It's got mirror package as well, which is the auto-dimming exterior mirror. We've got split folding rear seats with through load as well. So a couple of nice little extras on it. In addition to the standard, which is quite comprehensive. You've got heated seats, it's got nav, it's got all the cruise control, speed limiter, climate control, so front and rear parking sensors. Good spec, good looking car, really nice car, drives really well, as I've said, nothing wrong with it at all. It's absolutely A1. The wheels look great on it as well. There's lots of information up on our website about the car, lots of photos, there's a video walk around as well. But if there is any additional information you'd like on the car itself, or our finance packages, or our home delivery service that we offer, then please do feel free to contact us at any time.